No, we didn't test it a long time. No one didn't test it. I didn't hear it. No, that was a long time ago.
Nick, you're a senior in high school.
Please, Dad.
Grow up, you little baby. I'm really getting sick and tired of this thing. I don't need this crap. And stop playing with your iPad like that. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing walking around? What are you doing? You're just wasting energy.
No.
What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Filming what? There's nothing on there. Get out of here. Knock it off.
It's recommended to
It is not.
test weekly.
I don't care. You're such a baby.
No.
Here, tested it.
Fire.
Dad.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Only if it's a fire you press that. Only if you burnt toast you press that.
I didn't press anything. You're the one that's always trying to burn everything.
No, like you accident.
See, it's just fine.
Dad, in case you accidentally
It's fine.
burn toast
I
accidentally.
didn't burn it. You never burn anything accidentally, Nick. You burn shit on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on purpose. Jeez.